Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you target passing minigame. In the beginning, let's go to minigames from campus and go to target passing. We've got three types of target passing. Select it, and now position your quarterback to make a pass, and while passing, try to hit targets.
Here we go. Here we go. Shot! Here we go. Shot! Here we go. Shot! On one, ready? Shot! On one, ready? Shot!
We've got two more types of this minigame. Target passing on the move and sudden death. Let's select on the move right now,
Shot!
and this time the targets are moving.
On one, ready? Shot! Here we go. Shot! On two, ready? Shot! Just set! Here we go. Shot! On one, ready? Shot! On one, ready? Shot!
And let's select the last minigame, sudden
ready?
death.
Shot! Here we go. Shot!
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.